Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynor.
While a spotty shower is not impossible overnight, our skies stay mostly dry as we approach the start of our Friday. I'm meteorologist Gabe Maynor taking a look at that Mississippi live weather forecast. We're sitting at 71 degrees by 3, by 6, but those temperatures really ramping up and already by 9 a.m. sitting at 80 degrees. But the story is shifting. Rain chances over this week now out of the picture, and we're going to be in a hot pattern ahead, so our future cast not showing a ton of action. But like I said, a sprinkle not impossible overnight, but coverage remaining very, very limited, not just for the start of our Friday, but throughout our Friday. This allows the heat to settle in, and we're going to be 92 Bruce and New Albany, but 93 Tupelo, Amory, and Columbus. So drink plenty of water, have ways to stay cool, and of course have ways to beat the heat, not only for our Friday, but as we go through that entire weekend forecast ahead. By early parts of next week, we're in the upper 90s with mid-90s remaining possible by midweek. So it's going to be a hot 7-day stretch. Make sure to have that Mississippi Live weather app ready to go. And of course, be monitoring the very latest on those conditions with our meteorologist Maggie McCauley coming up at 6:37 and 7:30 on your Friday morning right here from the Room to Room Weather Center.
At First Choice Bank, we know you can't always make it before the bank closes. With our integrated teller, you can talk to a live person as late as 7 p.m. on weekdays and noon on Saturdays. It's not just an ATM, it's an ITM. First Choice Bank, your choice for banking.
Rain, humidity, wind, and storms can take a toll on your home. When they do, trust the team at Absolute Restoration for roofing, water damage, and mold remediation. 662-760-4348.